everyone! Welcome back to Auto Nihon. If you've been waiting for the next big thing in compact SUVs, your wait is almost over. Because the 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't just a refresh, it's a full-on electrified revolution. Say goodbye to gas-only engines, because for the first time ever, every single 2026 RAV4 will be electrified. That's right, only hybrid, HEV, and plug-in hybrid PHEV models. Toyota's betting big on efficiency, power, and sustainability, and honestly, they might just pull it off. Under the hood, or should I say under the hood and in the battery pack, the 2026 RAV4 gets Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system, and it's seriously upgraded. The standard RAV4 hybrid now makes 236 horsepower with AWD, up from 219. But here's the surprise. For the first time, you can get a front-wheel drive hybrid too, with 226 horsepower. Perfect for city drivers who want max efficiency without sacrificing performance. And if you want to go all in, the RAV4 plug-in hybrid is your ticket. It cranks out a jaw-dropping 320 horsepower, yes, in a RAV4, and delivers an estimated 50 miles of pure electric range. That's enough for most daily commutes on zero gas. Plus, all PHEV models come standard with AWD, and select trims like the XSE and Woodland now support DC fast charging. Need to juice up? 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's game-changing for a plug-in SUV. Oh, and don't forget towing. With up to 3,500 pounds of capacity on AWD hybrid and PHEV trims, this thing can haul your weekend adventures and your eco-conscious values. Visually, the 2026 RAV4 ditches the soft edges for something far more aggressive. Inspired by Toyota's hammerhead shark design language, seen on the new Tacoma and Land Cruiser, it's sharper, wider, and more commanding on the road. Inside, it's a total cabin overhaul. Think ergonomic perfection, premium soft-touch materials, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The centerpiece, a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and finally, over-the-air software updates. No more dealership trips just to fix a glitch. Safety, the 2026 RAV4 comes loaded with the latest Toyota safety sense, likely TSS 4.0 or a major upgrade to 3.0. We're talking enhanced radar, better camera resolution, and smarter AI that can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and even oncoming traffic when you're backing out of a driveway. Plus, the new infotainment system features smarter voice recognition, so you can actually say, "I'm cold," and it'll turn up the heat. No more shouting, "Hey Toyota," 5 times. So what do you think? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't just evolving, it's leading the charge into an electrified future. More power, more range, more tech, and zero gas-only models. It's expected to hit US dealerships by the end of 2025. So, if you're in the market for a compact SUV that does it all, this might be the one to watch. If you're excited about the new RAV4, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on the cars that matter, and drop a comment below. Would you go hybrid or plug-in? Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't just electric, it's electrifying.